The night sky seems peaceful, but the universe is anything but quiet. At any moment, a star can unleash a blast of energy so powerful it defies imagination. An explosion so bright, it briefly outshines its entire galaxy. These are gamma-ray bursts, the brightest explosions we have ever seen. A gamma-ray burst, or GRB, is an immensely energetic flash of gamma rays, the most powerful form of light in the universe. Invisible to our eyes, these cosmic fireworks are seen by satellites orbiting high above Earth's atmosphere. The burst itself might last only a few seconds, but after that initial violent flash, a ghostly glow is often left behind. We call this the afterglow. It's less intense but can linger for days, weeks, or even years. This afterglow is crucial. It shines in X-rays, visible light, and radio waves, allowing our telescopes to pinpoint exactly where the explosion came from. Think of it like lightning and thunder. The GRB is the flash, and the afterglow is the thunder that carries the story of what just happened. Not all gamma-ray bursts are the same. They fall into two families, long and short, defined simply by how long they last. This simple distinction points to two very different, dramatic origins. Long bursts, lasting more than 2 seconds, come from the death of a truly massive star. When it runs out of fuel, its core collapses catastrophically, forming a brand new black hole. As matter swirls in, it launches two immensely powerful jets of particles. Two jets blast out from a dying star's poles at nearly the speed of light. When one of those jets points at Earth, we see a long gamma-ray burst. The other family is short bursts. As the name suggests, they're incredibly brief, lasting less than 2 seconds. For a long time, the origin of these short, powerful bursts was a mystery. Evidence now points to a collision between two of the densest objects in the universe, a pair of neutron stars. These are the dead cores of massive stars, each with more mass than our sun, crushed into a ball the size of a city. After orbiting for eons, they spiral together in a final cataclysmic smash-up. When neutron stars collide, they create a short gamma-ray burst and forge heavy elements like gold. The ring on your finger could be the remnant of a neutron star collision from long ago. On October 9th, 2022, something extraordinary happened. Our satellites were hit by a wave of gamma rays so intense it was off the charts, blinding some detectors completely. This event was GRB 22-1009A, nicknamed the Boat, the brightest of all time. A signal that had traveled nearly 2 billion years, it shattered all records. 70 times brighter than any GRB before, an event this bright likely happens once every 10,000 years. It was so powerful it disturbed Earth's upper atmosphere. This wasn't just an observation, it physically touched our planet. The Boat was a gift for science. Its brightness let us study it in unprecedented detail, revealing echoes of the blast reflecting off dust in our own galaxy. This was a classic long-duration burst, from a massive star collapsing into a black hole. Its brightness revealed new details in the jet's anatomy. The Boat was a stress test for our models, confirming some ideas and challenging others. In September 2023, telescopes picked up GRB 230906A, a short burst lasting less than a second. All signs pointed to a collision between two neutron stars, but when astronomers looked for the source, they found something baffling. The explosion didn't come from a large galaxy, but a place that looked almost empty. Closer inspection revealed it happened inside a tiny, faint dwarf galaxy. But this little galaxy wasn't alone. The neutron stars collided inside a tiny galaxy, itself caught in a vast tidal stream of gas. It was a collision within a collision. This discovery helps solve a nagging puzzle: why some short GRBs appear to come from nowhere. Perhaps these bursts occur in tiny, faint galaxies hidden within vast gas streams. These neutron star mergers are the universe's factories for heavy elements like gold and platinum, seeding the intergalactic medium for new galaxies and stars. So, why do we care about these fleeting flashes of light? Because gamma-ray bursts are unique laboratories for the most extreme physics in the cosmos. They allow us to witness the birth of black holes and the violent merger of dead stars in real time. Each burst is also a beacon, shining across billions of light years. Because they are so incredibly bright, they act as probes of the ancient cosmos. By analyzing their light, we can map the universe's grand structure. The universe is always full of surprises. Just when we think we have gamma-ray bursts figured out, a new one comes along that breaks all the rules. Each of these oddities is a clue, pushing science forward. By watching, we learn our place within this vast, dynamic, and volatile cosmos. Follow for more mysteries. Keep looking up, space lovers.